Today we're going to be going over 4 items I got for free on Harbor Freight with the coupon. So let's go ahead and get started. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The first item we got is here. It's a 6-piece detailed brush set. It's to clean out the parts or whatever you want to do, rust, paint, scale, scum, whatever you guys want to clean off the parts. I haven't opened it yet, but yeah, this is the back. And this is the front. So, alright, continuing with the next item. It's a 24 pack of AAA 1.5 volts batteries. What can I say? I haven't used these before. I mean, I'm pretty sure they're not like Energizer, but they should do the trick. Maybe on TV remote controls or other flashlights, you could use them probably. Yeah, for free. I mean, all these items are pretty good. So there we go. Next item I got is this is a new item. It's a 4-piece funnel set. Comes with the 2, a 3, and a 4 and a 5. So inch diameter funnel sets. That's the end. You guys can see on the side. And that's the other one. The other side. Then again, it's, it comes with the smaller one and 2 medium ones and a big one. It's not really big. It's compared to other funnels, I mean, I'm probably gonna be using the big one. So the other ones are just extra. Maybe you could probably use them for the kitchen or something like that. But yeah, I'll probably be using this as the bigger one as for the oil or whatnot. Yeah, and this is a new item, guys. I've never seen this before, so it's a new item. Next item I got is the a LED light flashlight, free from Harbor Freight. There you go. It's pretty bright. And there's the other. This is more like a little pointy flashlight thing. This is a 3 LED. I don't know what this is. It's a lot bigger though. And brighter. It already comes with batteries. And this hook, you can hook it up anywhere and it'll just stay there, I guess. And it does come with a magnet. So, in case you want to stick it in your toolbox or the hood of a car or something like that. And there you go. And that's the back, that's the front. I mean, for free, it's pretty good. Just to have it there around the house. That'll help out. Alright, that's my quick review on these 4 items. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.